Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to e-file a tax extension. Filing an extension gives you an extra 6 months to prepare your federal income tax return, which is super helpful if you need more time. This also helps you avoid those pesky late filing penalties. However, it's crucial to remember that an extension to file is not an extension to pay. You still need to pay any estimated taxes you owe by the original deadline to avoid penalties and interest. There are a couple of straightforward ways to e-file your extension. If your adjusted gross income is under $79,000, you can use the IRS Free File program, which is a great free option. Alternatively, you can use commercial tax software, which many people already use for their returns. These programs typically walk you through filling out Form 4868, making the process quite simple. A tax professional can also handle this for you. When you're ready to e-file, you'll need a few key pieces of information. First, have your Social Security number or individual taxpayer identification number handy. You'll also need to provide your current address. Most importantly, you must make a good faith estimate of your total tax liability for the year. Don't forget to include any tax payments you've already made, like withholdings or estimated tax payments, to calculate your remaining balance. Once you've gathered your information, submit Form 4868 electronically by the original tax deadline. After submission, you'll receive an electronic confirmation, which is your proof that the IRS has accepted your extension request. Keep this confirmation for your records. Just a friendly reminder, while this grants you more time to file, it does not extend the time to pay any taxes you owe. Make sure to pay your estimated balance by the original deadline.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.